Hey everybody, my name is Nick. In this short YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you how to animate an object in Roblox Studio. So it's very easy. Let me show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open up Roblox Studio, and you need to have this plugin, Moon Animator and Easy Weld. So first of all, let's spawn an object. To do it, click on Home, click on Toolbox, and find the necessary object right here. For example, let's type here alarm clock. Okay, and now just spawn this object on your map. Okay, and for example, I would like to animate it. So if you now select this object, go to plugins and click on Moon Animator, create a new file, and after that click on plus icon to animate this object. You will see this notification. Models must have their primary part properly set. So how to fix it? All you need to do is just close Moon Animator right now. Now click on Home, add a new part by clicking on this button. Now just move this part right to your object and scale it a little bit. So let me show you how to do it. Okay. Yeah, this is our object. Okay, now select this object again. Now go to properties, find here transparency, and change here the 0 value to 1. And click on enter. Okay, now this object is full transparent. Select it, go to the Explorer tab. Drag your part to the necessary object and just drop it. Yeah, just like that. And of course, you can, for example, rename it as you want. For example, handle alarm. Okay, now go to plugins, click on Easy Weld, go to model, and now you need to select a model in Explorer. So find your model, select it, hold down Control and select a base part, in our case handle alarm, and click on Weld Model. Okay. And finally, we can go back to the Moon Animator, click on the New Moon to File button, click on plus, and select your handle alarm, yeah, your part, and click on OK. And finally, you can easily animate your object in Roblox Studio. And now let's animate it. So this is our first keyframe, and the second one right here. And here's our really simple animation. Okay, so it was really simple. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.